I'm here to talk about the neural network compilers enabling the rapid deployment of DNNs onto these specialized, low-cost, low-power devices. I'm Megha Daga, as Brian mentioned. I'm the Senior Technical Marketing Manager at Tensilica Cadence, and I look after our vision and AI processors. So with that, the agenda for today's talk for me is to just go quickly over the industry trends which we all are seeing and which we all are aware of, and what those trends are entailing to in the software challenges, both from static offline challenges and from online challenges, and what are the solutions industries are coming onto, and some of the provisions which we at Cadence Tensilica are providing, both offline Extensa neural network compiler and online using things like Android neural network API on our processors. So with that, neural network. Neural networks, we all know it's everywhere in every device we are using right now. My 5-year-old, she starts her day by, "Hey Siri, do this for me." My 70-year-old grandmom, she uses her Facebook app using AI. So we are seeing it in every inch of our life these days, starting from, "Hey Alexa, add so-and-so meeting for me." "Okay Google, what's the weather today?" Going to automotive, the biggest thing in the automotive industry, a huge range of vision processing, moving a lot towards AI. Apps, or going into navigation, retail industry, IoT, smart appliances, apps like Google Translator. This is something which I have found very efficient for me because keep traveling from region to region, can only converse in 2 languages, how to use it the best way. These come very handy. And then the AR, VR, surveillance market, and so on and so forth. So we know, we see these everywhere. So if it is everywhere, where is the processing actually happening?